Hey you guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. But hold up, make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you follow me on all my social media sites, and make sure you click that like button and thumbs up this video. So in this episode we will be testing this soap kit. So this kit is called The Science of Soaps, and I will be showing you the kit, letting you know about the kit, and we're going to see if it works. So let's go. So this is so far we get this. This is it. I paid $20 for this. Oh my God. This is all I got for $20. I could have bought my own soaping kit. Okay, so let's see what we're going to do. Safety rules, okay. So they do give you great instructions and fragrance oils. You guys can see I'm reading the book, but I'm kind of upset. So this is what we got in this kit. We got, it's kind of weird that they gave us a 32 instructional page, but this small soap. So I'm gonna do a close-up. This is how much soap we got, and I'm gonna weigh it for you guys because it says 75 grams, but we're in America. I mean, I know grams, but not off the back of my head. So we're gonna see how much this really is in ounces, because it doesn't say. Okay, here we go. I'm doing the scale, if you guys can see, so I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so we're gonna do it. Oh my God, it's only 2.65 ounces of soap that they give you for this kit. They give you 2 fragrance oils. No, this is red coloring. This is a little fragrance oil, so this is red coloring, a little fragrance oil, and I paid about $20 or $30 for this kit. So right now, don't like it. Already telling you guys right now, don't like it. Why did they give us 3 ounces of soap but a 32-page instructional educational book? What is going on? That makes no sense to me. Kind of upsets me. Okay, so let's get to this right now. Okay, here we go. Okay, so let's do one. So it gives you a very detailed use on how to use soap, which is really good. I guess you're paying for the education of the soap, but who's gonna read this whole book? I mean, let's be honest. I'm a reader, but who's really gonna read this book? So let's get to the directions. Let me go back to the page of content. So I really think you're paying for this book. I'm really serious, you guys. So we're just gonna cut it. I mean, necessary. I'm gonna be honest, you really don't have to cut this because this is only 3 ounces of soap for $20, which is so ridiculous. Do you know how much melt and pour soap you can buy off of Amazon for $25 and make this kit? Okay, I'm just not gonna even get into this right now. And this box is so misleading, but I'm just gonna leave all my final thoughts for after the video. So we're just gonna do the kit. So we're gonna cut it, and then we're gonna cut this. There we go. So I cut each in the 4 pieces. I mean, you don't even really need to do this, but we're just gonna follow the instructions. So now you want to melt your base, and then they give you from 122 to 140 degrees. But with melt and pour soap, honestly, you really don't have to use a heat gun or any type of temp for melt and pour soap. So we're just gonna melt this little tiny soap in the microwave, and then we'll be back. Look at how much we get, you guys. It is like horrible. So I would say you only get a 1/4 cup of soap melted. I can okay, so this is a 1/3 cup. Y'all know the show's on the budget. So we're just gonna pour it in here and see. Okay, so you get about a 1/3 cup of melt and pour soap. So what we're gonna do is half and half, and since it's 2.595 ounces and they gave us 2 molds, I'm going to measure it out. So it's 2.59 ounces. So we're gonna do it, divide that by 2. So this is melting really quickly. So 1.60, I'll just stick with that. So the first one we're gonna do is this one in the cup. So it says Funny, they don't give you a scale or anything, but they tell you ideal formulations. So for scented soap, it's 2.01 grams. So the soap base is 20 grams and then 0.1 grams of fragrance oil. But what about kids who don't have a scale? How are they supposed to know that? And then you guys don't say have a scale. This is funny. Okay, so in step 3, they tell you, step 3, it says once it's in a liquid state, add 3 to 5 drops of color. So that's what we're gonna do, add 3 to 5 drops of color. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. I'm just add more. And then it's add 2 drops of fragrance oil. So we're gonna add 2 drops of fragrance oil. Side note, the apple fragrance oil smells really good, but I think you could get way more bang for your buck. So 1, 2. So it said 2 drops. We're gonna see if those are right directions. 2 drops of fragrance oil. And then it says stir well with the wooden stick. So that's what we're gonna do. So if it does get a little melted on the sides of your cup or anything you're using, all you have to do is just put it back in the microwave. So let me smell it. 2 drops of fragrance oil is not enough in my opinion, so I'm gonna do 4 drops. So I'm gonna do 2 more drops. So 1, 2. I did 3. That was 3. Here we go. Well, at least you get more fragrance oil, I will say. They could have gave you way more soap for this. I mean, come on now. Okay, perfect. So we're gonna put it in the flour. Here we go. Oh my God, what is going on? You can't even make, oh my God. So, wow. So, oh wow, oh, okay. Okay, so this is what I got. Did I get a beat up kit or something? Because I'm really confused as to why I only got so little soap. Okay, so this is this one. So now we're going to pretty much do the same thing with the other one. Okay, so now that we have it, I melted it. So we're just gonna do pretty much the same thing. Now they only gave you 2 Dopplers. So I'm just gonna use this Doppler, but what I'm gonna do is like squeeze the blue, and then I'm gonna go in and pray the dye doesn't hit it. Okay, so there we go. So 1, 2. Well, I'm just putting it all in. This is already a mess. And then let's do the fragrance oil. Woo! There we go. So I use way more than the kit called for. I'm trying to figure out, so where's the other stick? I had another stick. There we go. Okay, so woo. There we go. Oh my God, the red looks worse. I really think I got a bum kit. Maybe I should call a crafting place because I feel like this is a bum kit. So I use way more than 2 drops of red, and look at the color. It's not even bright. Wow. Okay, well at least it did fill up this one. So what I'm gonna do is just add the rest to this one. Be like a layered cute soap. Okay, so we're gonna let these dry, and then after that I'll give you guys my final thoughts on this kit. So let me tell you my final thoughts on this horrible kit. Is this kit worth your money? No. First of all, you get 2.95 ounces of soap, which is a small amount of soap. So when I purchased this kit at Target, it was about 15 to 20 bucks. Now I'm looking online and the kit is $10. So is it worth $10? Still no. You could make way more soap. Like literally you get 1 full bar of soap, and I did the other soap. I really didn't care for the lather at all, and you just don't get that much product, and it's not worth your money. So for instance, in soap making, when you're making glycerin soap specifically, you're supposed to spray the bubbles with alcohol. So when you see bubbles on the top of your melt and pour soap, once you're pouring it, you spray the bubbles with alcohol so you could get a pretty soap. Well, with this kit, they don't even explain that to you. So, I mean, this is what the bottom of this soap looks like. I hope my camera could focus so you guys could see it. So, look at this is what it looks like. Can you see how horrible the back of this soap looks? So if you're initially making this soap and you see that, it's not an appealing soap to make. And then the box is really misleading. The back of the box has 3 flower soaps and you're under the assumption that you're going to make all these 3. You're not going to make those 3 soaps with 2.95 ounces of soap. It's just not going to happen. What else do I feel about this kit besides this is a waste of your money? So for instance, let's say you just go on Amazon and you want to make soap, or you want to teach your kid how to buy soap. You can buy a pack of 16 ounces or 1 pound of melted pour soap, and you can even go to any craft stores, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, and you can buy the soap for like $10. Then you can buy fragrance oils for like $5, essential oils for like $5. Then you can buy popsicle sticks for like $1. And then you can buy molds at the dollar store for $1. Like if you really are on a budget, you can literally buy molds and food coloring at the dollar store for $1. So this kit is running you about $10 to $16, and you can make way more soap for that on the holidays for the same amount, even with taxes. So let's even say if it's $10 and you're paying $11 in taxes, you could still make way more soap with just adding the $6 extra and getting your kid a really cool kit. And then you could decorate it for your kid if you're gonna buy it for your kid or your child. Sorry, you guys, if I'm saying kid, your child. So, I mean, it just isn't worth the money. I don't like it. It's not Shundara approved. And the 32-page educational book did not mention what I just told you guys about the bubbles at the back of the soap. I didn't like the lather. It wasn't really my thing. I just didn't care for this soap. I can barely smell the fragrance oil. You would need to use way more than 2 drops of apple fragrance oil to get a pretty fragrance. The color did come out nice. I'm going to show you guys the blue one right now. I really didn't like the blue one at all, and I used it to wash my hands, so I really didn't care for either of them. And you can buy these molds at the dollar store. Come on, you could get baking molds at the dollar store. If you want little cute baking molds, you could get them at Target for like $3. What is this soaping kit, really? I'm not a fan. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried the Science of Soap kit and what soap kit you want me to try next if you do decide to buy this kit for the holidays. Thanks so much for watching this episode of Shundara Try Skincare Kits. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and I'll see you in our next episode. Bye, you guys.